Rapid chargers are essential for road trips, adding 100+ miles in 20-30 minutes. Investment is pouring into better, faster, and more accessible charging stations. Payment is getting easier, and the network is improving fast. Soon, charging on the go will be as easy as filling up with petrol. So, is an electric SUV worth it in 2026? It depends on your needs. Weigh the higher purchase price against long-term savings on fuel and maintenance. If you drive a lot and can charge at home, the savings add up quickly. Off-street parking makes home charging easy, otherwise public charging is less convenient. For some, waiting for better infrastructure and battery tech makes sense. But the value isn't just financial. Quiet, smooth driving, and lower emissions improve quality of life. Test drive a few models and see what fits. For many, the answer is already yes. The numbers, tech, and benefits are hard to ignore. Electric SUVs are becoming the smart choice. The electric SUV isn't a fad, it's the future of the family car. More models are coming, driving prices down and tech up. Solid-state batteries are on the horizon, faster charging, longer range, and better safety. Imagine 300 miles of range in 10 minutes, or 500 miles on a single charge. Range anxiety will disappear. Cars will connect to the grid, selling power back and stabilizing energy use. Your SUV could earn you money while parked. The electric SUV is changing our relationship with cars. The roar of engines is giving way to the silent hum of progress. It's a cleaner, smarter, and more exciting era. We're witnessing the dawn of a new age. Electric SUVs are leading the charge.